What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is part 2 of the suspension install for the Tribby. Today we're going to be completing the whole front end, just getting her back on the road. Basically, afterwards we need to go get an alignment. Hopefully we can go ahead and just do everything today. I've done a few suspension parts in the past for the front, just haven't done the whole kit. So, you know, I'm really excited to see how that's going to go. So let's just go ahead and get it started, guys. Okay, so we got her up in the ground. We basically are just getting ready to start putting the new parts. And I kind of want to show you guys what I'm going to be putting in. So I'm going to be putting these little things in here. These and the new control arms. So we got the new control arms, we got the rack ends, and we have the tie rods. So we're going to be putting these 3 parts in on each side. I also have these boots in case mines are, you know, destroyed or cut or, you know, damaged in any kind of way. They also included these. So I'm really excited to just go ahead and get this started, guys. So let's go ahead and get to it. It's a lot of work, so I want to go ahead and just do the most I can, the fastest I can. Okay, so I really want to show you guys, now that the old control arm is off, I just want to show you guys the difference between these two parts. I mean, you can clearly see, like, that's gone. This one is pretty bad too, but not, it's okay. But I mean, compared to the new ones, guys, I mean, it's you know, it's worth it. I mean, it is gonna be work, and it is a lot of work, but at the end of the day, honestly, it's gonna feel 1,000 times better. I'm super excited to just go ahead and get the new one, all the new parts on basically, and just go ahead and go get that alignment. So let's go ahead and continue replacing the old parts, guys.
Damn, son.
Okay, I'm back, guys. I actually had to stop recording for a second because I had to go to AutoZone to go pick up a specific tool. Turns out the inner tie rods on the Ford Escape and Mazda Tribute, they are completely smooth all the way around. So you have no way of actually grabbing it to be able to twist it unless you have the specific tool. So basically, this is what I picked up. It is a inner tie rod removal tool. Basically what it does is when you tighten it up, it has little teeth that dig into the inner tie rod, so you can go ahead and take it off with a 3/8 torque wrench or something 3/8 basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the inner tie rods, install the outer tie rod, and the new control arm on this side, and then we can go ahead and move on to the other side so we can try to get this thing done. So let's go ahead and just get to it, guys, because I'm just ready to get this thing out. Okay, so just wanted to kind of show you guys what I was talking about. As you can see, the tie rod has no flat sides, I guess I should say, to be able to grab it with anything. So that's why I had to go pick up that tool. It basically, like I said, it just, you know, tightens around it, just, you know, bites into it, and then just gives you a, you know, like I said, 3/8 opening, so you can go ahead and twist it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that right now, and we'll go ahead and put the new one in. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, here we go, guys. We finally got it out. As you can see, that's the old one, the one that has a tool on it. It's really, you know, it's gone. It's just not functioning. You can see the bushing is all destroyed. So this is the old one. That's a new one. What we're gonna do right now is we're basically gonna just take off the tool off of the old one, put it on the new one, tighten it down. The information online wasn't really specific to like how many foot-pounds of torque I had to do, so I'm just gonna do 75 to go, you know, just to go on the safe side. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, and we can go ahead and just move on.
Damn, son. Son. Damn, son.
Okay, so we got this side finished up, guys. I'm super happy. As you can see, the new control arm is in. And we have the new inner and outer tie rods, I may add. So yes, I did zip ties on the inner tie rod boot. I just didn't have anything else. I didn't have any metal ones, so I just did the regular plastic ones. And I'll change that later on, but at least for now it'll work. So yeah, the only thing left to do is just go ahead and put grease in this little guy right here. So I do gotta go get the fitting to put grease in it. Unfortunately, I do have to go back to AutoZone again. But well, yeah, this side is finished up. So let's go ahead and get to the other side so we can go ahead and get that one finished up as well. What's up, guys? We are done. Basically, everything is finished. It's just a matter of cleaning everything up right now, and you know, just putting her back on the ground. So I basically did the driver's side as well. I didn't show it because it was getting really dark, and I just wanted to, you know, get the thing finished up. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. So you can see new inner and outer tie rod, and new control arms. I didn't change my end links again because these haven't been in here for a year, so I just didn't really think it was gonna be necessary to really change them. But then again, you know, I have a new set, so whenever these go out, you know, I got a brand new set to go ahead and replace. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's just the only thing left to do is go ahead and put grease in these little then the end links. Basically just grease them up, which I just got a grease gun from AutoZone, and that's pretty much it. So I'm so tired. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to go ahead and just get this thing finished, put it back on the ground, and you know, just clean up the garage. So this is basically the end of part 2. I'm super excited to have this finished finally. Tomorrow we're gonna be going to, not really sure what shop yet, but we basically just gotta get an alignment, of course. And then stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is Simply Clean 9. So stay tuned. I'm going to be out there just, you know, getting some dope shots and just, you know, seeing some nice cars. So stay tuned for tomorrow is Simply Clean. I'm probably going to put the video up on Sunday, maybe Monday. So, but anyway, just stay tuned, guys. Turn on your notifications so you know when that video comes up. And as always, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, it was a pleasure, guys. I'll see you guys next time.